Right then. So, starting the car. You remember to start the car?
I need the keys.
There they are.
Should be in.
Wait there. Okay, pull it out, please. Okay.
This
Pass
way.
it here.
Is it the wrong one? Oh my days. Oh my. No, this is going to be in the video, isn't it? It's going to be in the video.
You tried to start it with my house key. So this might be a leaning point for some people. Yeah, could you show us how the key was first? Like you know that key. So the key was folded in, and you have to press the silver button on the side, and the key comes out. Okay. So I just assumed that you may know that. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I'm a great start.
It's good if you didn't snap it in there or something. You know.
Great start.